Reed Williams, you found your way over here?
I'd like to welcome everybody aboard, but I do have a couple of rules that we need to go over. First off, there is no smoking on board, nor is there any smoking when we get up to the water tank. And I apologize for that, but it is a public place, and the state of Colorado has a law saying that we can't do that. There is no running on board, so please, no running. Keep your hands, legs, arms, cameras, everything that you hold dear inside of the car. We have a couple of trees that are a little close, and I'd rather not lose a hand or a camera or anything else to the outdoors. Parents with small kids, I highly recommend that when you're walking through the cars, that you hold the kids' hands, and that's just because it gets real rocky and wobbly when you're walking. Speaking of walking, please feel free to use our restrooms. They are in the boxcar, and they are available at any time. Now, when you go between the cars to get to the restrooms, there are plates in between the cars. Those plates move up and down and sideways. So please use the handrail while you're doing that.
We're not allowed to go over 12 miles an hour. Thank you.
So, question, what would you do at this point if I didn't have a ticket?
There's a wonderful spot up ahead where I leave you off. It's about 500 feet above the valley floor.
Fun.
Chicken, send me a wing. It'll look like I've been working, but I ain't done a thing. And it's right, 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 right. Railroad Bill was a mighty mean man. He shot the midnight lantern out of the brakeman's hand. Right, 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 right. I'm going up a mountain, I'm going out west. Got a 44 pistol sticking out my vest, and it's right. Cigar with a $10 bill. Right, 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 right. I'm gonna find me a pistol as long